Hello again. Uh, I said in the last video if I find an easy way to play the OnlineFix games from Steam, uh, I would share it with you. So I got a new way. Yeah, I know it's not the right way, but it's a shortcut and it's gonna work for sure. I will try it in front of you and you can find it easily. So basically, uh, yeah, I know it looks scary, but we're gonna use that terminal. Yeah, we're gonna use it. We have to use it. So there's a file, there's some commands, just copy and paste. If you don't trust me, just give it to ChatGPT and he's gonna tell you what's gonna do every command here. Basically, I will leave it for you in my GitHub. I will leave the link in the description and you can download the file. The file have all the commands that we gonna use in this video. I already used it, just copy and paste, but I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna use Umo launcher. Yeah, I know, it's a launcher to play the games out of Steam, without Steam, yeah. But with Umo launcher, there's some packages that Umo install it without installing it manually. That's gonna help with opening the game with Steam without installing the packages one by one. So after that, it's gonna ask you for a reboot. Just reboot it from this. Just copy and paste. After that, we're gonna install a Flatpak from SGB boop. Yeah, it's not that temporary, actually. Yeah, my bad. It's not that important, but it's just to change the cover. You know, when you add a non-Steam game, the cover on Steam sucks. From that, you can change it. After you do all that, we're gonna reboot the computer again, and this link I'm gonna show you. To make sure that you installed it well and perfect, you're gonna open this link. This is from the guy who created it. Just come here and click here. It's gonna tell you it's here and it's working. We're good to go. After that, we're good. Everything is good. So basically, after that, just install the game, extract it. That's it. Then we're gonna go to Steam. Hello, Steam. You should have spaceware, and if you don't know how to install spaceware, I'm you have to go to the last video. I told him how to install spaceware, because if you search on it on Steam, it's not gonna be here at all. So you have to install it. So basically, after extracting the files, the game files, you come to Steam, add a game, add a non-Steam game, come here, browse. Okay, we have to go to the extracted files. Go for it, just for the exe file. One click, open, and then add selected programs. Okay, it's gonna appear here, but don't play it. Open here, properties, come to here, force. Then I actually recommend a Proton Experimental, but if it does not work, then use Proton GE latest, or you can use Steam runtime or GE 10 to 34. But actually I use experimental, it works for me, so yeah. After that, don't close it, wait, go again. We need this command. Copy, come here, launch option, paste. What's gonna do? It's just gonna tell Steam, run it from the OnlineFix file. That's it. Close, play. It's running and it's gonna play on your Steam account. As you see, Spaceware is running. It's all good. There is Steam. And you're good to go. That's it. I hope I helped you today. See you. Peace out.